Hello friends, welcome back. Thank you for your support. Today's video is about preparing Mysore Masala Dosa. This recipe is having almost 80 years of history, very popular. So let's check out how to prepare. So here the recipe begins with preparing spicy or red chutney. This is how it looks like. Here I have soaked dried chili in the hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. You can use any type of dried chili or red chili. You can also consider non-spicy red chili. We need to grind it. After soaking, you can add them to mixie jar or blender. For grinding, we need to add coriander seeds, jeera or cumin, garlic, ginger, few curry leaf, salt, little oil for the smooth grinding, and then little water. So grind it very finely. So this is the spicy chutney is ready. So always Mysore Masala Dosa is with this chutney. So this chutney we can store it in the airtight container for more than 3 months in the fridge. You can use multiple times this chutney by preparing once. The next is chutney. For preparation of chutney, we're gonna grind coconut. This is also called coconut chutney. For grinding, we need to add ginger, garlic, green chili, tamarind, coriander leaf, little curry leaf just for the flavors, salt as per the taste, little water. So friends, here in place of green chili you can also go for a dried red chili. Grind it very finely. After grinding, you can add to the bowl. Next, we need to prepare small tadka for the chutney. Oil. Once oil is hot, you can add mustard seed, then few curry leaf. You can add to the chutney. Mix it well. Here you can adjust the chutney by adding some water and also salt if it is required. The next is potato stuffing, which is very important for masala dosa or any type of dosa. Take 2 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is hot, add mustard seed, urad dal, chana dal. So here you can add some few cashews. Friends, here you can also add ginger, small pieces, but I'm skipping it. Then you can add onion, finely chopped. Here we don't want onion to be fully turned brown. We just want onion to be slightly cooked. Mix it well. You can use the medium flame or low flame. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Then you can add turmeric, curry leaf and green chili. Mix it well. Again it takes 1 minute. Then you can add boiled potatoes, some green peas, salt, little water for the green peas to cook. If you wish, you can cook green peas separate, then you can add it back to the potato. So however, I want green peas to cook with the potatoes. Since green peas are fresh, it will not take much time to cook. Both add it together, let it cook in a medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Then you can add some fresh coriander leaf. Do not close the lid. If you feel like potato sabji is kind of watery, you can dry up the water completely. Then potato stuffing is ready for the masala dosa. Finally, let's prepare Mysore Masala Dosa. So here I am using big pan. You can also go for a dosa pan which is available in your house. Add sufficient batter gently. Friends, here the right ratio of preparing batter is very important. Check out the description box for more information about the dosa batter. And also the tawa is very important, so use the tawa only for the dosa preparation so that dosa comes really very good. Then Mysore Masala Dosa is always with the red chutney. Don't forget to add as much you like to add. And also ghee. Always masala dosa is with the ghee. Add enough. Let it cook in a medium flame. So once it is done, you can place potato stuffing. Then you can check it. The dosa is perfectly done. Just looks like wow. The dosa looks like really tasty. Do try with your favorite chutneys. You will like it for sure. I hope you will like the video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's check out today's motivation. When the right time comes, every random kick becomes a goal. See you again in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.